Hey everybody, Jeff here from Outseta. Today I'm going to give you an overview of one of our lesser known features, our live chat tool. The first thing I want to say is our live chat tool is particularly opinionated. I think that most of the poor customer service interactions that I have these days are actually the result of live chat tools where I end up interacting with a bot, I can't get my questions answered, and we wanted to avoid that scenario altogether. So if you're looking for something that can sort of ask lead qualification questions or where you can set up automated bot workflows, our live chat tool is not the tool for you. Our live chat tool is really meant for founders and small teams who want to chat with customers when they're available. And I'll show you the different contexts in which it can be used. But I want to be outright in saying this is probably not a replacement for a Drift or an Intercom. If you need those sorts of tools and you need to set up automated bot workflows and lead qualification questions and all that, you'll be better suited with those tools. But if you're an early stage founder and you want to chat with prospects on your website or people as they're actually engaging with your software product, our live chat tool is a great fit. So let's show you a couple different contexts in which it can be used. The first is I've just got a demo instance of Outseta opened here. And if you just click on this little chat icon up in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you can always get to your chat inbox. In your chat inbox, you'll see conversations that show up as unknown if you're talking to somebody that you've never chatted with before, basically an anonymous site visitor. Or you'll see other conversations with a person's name if it's someone you have chatted with before, or if it's someone that has authenticated. The most important thing, and what I want to start by pointing out, is this toggle here. Right now, chat is online, and that basically means someone can just come to a website and start a conversation with us. But this is a really critical part of our live chat tool. The basic concept is when you're available, you just toggle chat on. You can then chat with people on your website or within the context of your software product. And then when you're not available, you just toggle it off. And I'll show you the difference in those two behaviors. But if chat is toggled off, users who try to start a chat conversation are going to be prompted to submit a support ticket. So they always have a way to still get in touch with you and let you know that you need help. So let's go to this website. If you come down here, you can see there is a little chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, as you see on most sites. And if I open the chat right now, there's sort of a welcome message, and anybody can start a conversation with us. So think of this as your marketing site. If you're a founder and you want to talk to prospects, that might be on your site and answer questions, this is a great way to do it. But then, you need to go and write some code. You need to go and create some content. You're not going to be available because you're doing some sort of deep work. All you need to do in that instance is log back into your account and toggle chat offline. So I'm going to click offline, and I'll show you that experience in a moment. But right now, I want to show you some of the other chat settings that you can configure that might be helpful. So if you come to Help Desk and Settings, you can then click on Chat. And here's another screen where you can toggle chat on or offline. So you can always do it from here as well. And there's some basic configuration options here. All it takes to add chat to your site is just dropping this one script into the header of your site. And then there will be a welcome heading, as we saw. There's going to be a welcome message where you can say, hey, do you have any questions? That kind of thing. If you do want to require an email address from users before they're able to start a chat with you, you can toggle this on. This is a really good best practice if you want to use chat to capture leads. If you're requiring an email address, you sort of ensure you can always follow up with someone. The downside is you're probably going to get fewer inbound questions because some people just won't want to give you that information. And then finally, there's an autoresponder message and what we call an autoresponder delay. So the autoresponder delay is how much time you give yourself to respond to an incoming chat before we show this autoresponder message. So when we're online with this particular account, we give ourselves a minute to respond. If we're not able to get to that chat within a minute, this autoresponder message will pop up. But again, the best use of this particular feature is really to just toggle things offline when you know you're not going to be available. So those are some of the configuration options for you. And the other context I want to mention where you can use chat is you can implement it within your actual product itself. So this is our own Outseta account, and you can see in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, this is not our marketing site, this is our actual software product. And users can log into our software and they can actually chat with us as they're going through our product, as they're actually engaging with our software. So rather than sort of a sales or marketing context, this is super helpful from a customer service, customer success type context, and just on getting feedback from users as they're actually interacting with your product, with your site, whatever it might be. So finally, let's jump back to this site, and we're going to take a look at, now that I've toggled chat offline, what the experience is for the customer. So a customer can now come to this site. They're going to click to start a chat, and it says, hi there, we're not available right now. Go ahead and submit a help request. User can open this, and they have a support ticket form. We do need to update our CAPTCHA key on this site, but this gives the user a means of submitting a help request, which creates a support ticket in Outseta's help desk. So if you are offline, that's a great way to still serve your customers when you're not readily available. But that's an overview of our take on live chat. It's been super helpful for us in both a sales and a service context as we've grown our own business. And just toggling that chat on or offline is as simple as flipping a switch. If you have any questions on this, please reach out to our team at support@outseta.com. Thanks.